Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Definitely appreciate you all taking time out of your day to pay me a visit. We are back on the Fox River on the Carpentersville to Algonquin pool. It is, what is today? November the 21st. And it hasn't been warm, hasn't really been cold. Water temp right now is about 42 degrees. It's 41.8. And it's actually warmer than what it was 3 weeks ago. That last video I put out where it was warm that whole week, it looks like it's taken a while for that water temperature to drop. What I'm going to be focusing on today is a new technique that I've never actually tried before. It's always kind of fascinated me. But it's probably going to bore me to death, and that's the float and fly. I bought a 2-pack of Spro hair jigs in the 1/16 ounce size. It's kind of like a white chartreuse pattern, and I've got a float, and hopefully I don't lose that float, because I just realized I forgot all of my other floats at home. So we're gonna try that out for a decent chunk of the day. Probably throw blade bait, which man, today I'm not really organized. I just realized I left most of my blade baits at home. I was swapping out hooks on them. So yeah, I guess I don't really quite know what I'll be doing besides the float and fly. I might have a blade bait or two still in the boat. Oh boy. Always pay attention to where you're driving, I guess. Oh man, just hit bottom again. I did that last time in the same exact spot. You're out in the middle of the river and you think you're free and clear, but you go from 8 feet to 1 feet in just a matter of 10 feet. It's incredible. Anyway, let's go see what we can find and hopefully get a few fish today. Also want to add real quick, for those that might be curious, the Algonquin tailwater gauge right now is at 6.08 feet, and it's been fairly steady the last week. So I'm hoping that stability in water levels helps these fish be a little bit more active. We got a fish, guys. Wasn't exactly paying attention. Not a huge guy, but nice fish. See you later, buddy. I came on a 3.3 inch Kitech on a 1/8 ounce ball head jig. Yeah. All right, let's go see if we can find a few more. Well, everyone, we are wrapping up the day here. It got really cold, kind of right after 2 o'clock. Well, actually, yeah, right when that sun went down, it just got really cold. But you know, it was a fun day. You know, catching that one fish made the trip worthwhile. Didn't catch it on the float and fly. You know, actually, I was surprised that I wasn't as bored as I thought I would be fishing that float and fly. And I was a little surprised I caught that one fish on the swim bait, given how cold it is. But I've heard swim baits work really well. I normally just don't throw swim baits alone. I'm normally throwing swim jigs with a swim bait trailer, or like an underspin, something like that. Yeah, definitely found a lot of fish. I was marking a lot of fish in the deeper holes. I just couldn't get them to bite. And you know, you can find fish on the graph, whether they're bass or walleye, catfish, carp. You have no idea, really. Just can't really tell. So the fish I found may very well not have been bass. But it was a good day. Hopefully we'll have a few more days left this year, and hopefully a few more fish to show. So thanks everyone for stopping by. I definitely appreciate you all sticking around for the whole duration of this. Yeah, we will see you all next time. Thanks.